So this is going to involve operations involving complex numbers. So remember, by definition, complex numbers are in this form of A plus BI, where A represents the real number, and then this BI is going to represent the imaginary number. And again, a real number cannot be added to an imaginary number. Only reals can be added to real values. Imaginary numbers can only be added to imaginary numbers when you're simplifying. So if I want to write this expression in standard form, what we have is two complex numbers added together. So we have the 6 minus 7i, and we're adding to this 9 plus 8i. And complex numbers, we can just add them together by adding real number values and imaginary values. So again, these parentheses can now just be dropped. So I have the 6 minus the 7i, and then we have this, again, these parentheses can be dropped. You have this 9 and this 8i. So what we can do is add real number to real number. 6 plus 9 will be 15. And then we have to add a negative 7i to an 8i. So basically what we're doing is we're adding the coefficients, the negative 7 and the 8. So if you have a loss of 7 and a gain of 8, since the signs are different, you're actually subtracting. You're actually in your head going 8 minus 7, which is 1. But then you got to look back over here. Who's got do I have more negative or more positive? And since there's more positive, it's going to remain a positive one. That would be my mental thinking. So this is going to be then plus then this 1i. But remember, if the coefficient is a 1, it's dropped. So this just turns into 15 plus I. Now, keep in mind, complex numbers are numbers, and this calculator does have a mode to do complex numbers. So if we look at the mode button over on the calculator, so notice how it's just white, you just hit mode, and notice down here we have this real and this A plus BI format to start with. Notice at the A plus BI is already highlighted, so this I've already engaged the complex number system on this. So again, I can quit. Notice how it's in blue. Second, hit the mode button, it'll quit it. So if I want to type this original problem into the calculator, I can, in parentheses, 6 minus 7. The I is in blue above the decimal point. So if I hit the second button, it'll do the I, close parenthesis. Then if I add to this, 9 plus 8i, then the I again, notice how it's in blue. So I hit the second button, and it'll do the blue button, the I. And then if you hit enter, notice it gives you the same answer, 15 plus I. So that would be what they're looking for, is the 15 plus I.